So this is our 1970 Volvo P1800. It's come to us from another company, but we just treat it like an unfinished project. We're tearing it all down, see where we go, rebuild it the toy shop way.
I'm Manoj, leading the banner between the toy shop. We are talking about today the Volvo.
We've got some rust and some bad repairs down in this quarter down in here, haven't we? We've got a crack in the chassis through here how are we going to repair this?
We can change a new part, so otherwise I can make a new one. For this one, maybe like a half piece up to here.
Yep.
Otherwise, you can make a joint over there.
How would you go about taking these welds off through here?
Yeah, I make a drill machine using for the drill bit for the cutting drill bit. Then make a drill and then take it off. Otherwise, we can make the bit use the bit sander and sanding and take it off.
This repair through here, what is your professional opinion on this repair through here, Manoj?
This is bad repairing.
Very bad
repairing, yeah.
For this to get a repair cert, it's up to me to get it to best steel to see what's underneath and how big problems are down there. And first step was to get the paint stripper to attack the old product that was already there. And once that gets to work, I use various tools like chisels and die grinders to get off the old product that is quite tough to get off. And then once I get to steel, I use more sanders with a P80 grit sandpaper just to get as much rust off as physically possible. And then later on, after the detail sanding of 80 grit, I'll work my way up to P150 to 200 just to blend out all the heavy scratches I'll create while getting the rust out. Once that is done, I will generally blow it down, nice solvent clean, and then I'll use the Emitan product that will kill off rust and protect it in the future. Once that is all done, I will remove excess Emitan so the panel beaters can do their work. What we got over here, as we're ripping off the old product, we're finding bits of rust that hasn't been treated before. And so it'll be up to me to get rid of as much as I can and kill the rust off with the Emitan. And we've got more up in here, yeah, and then down in here. So yeah, it's up to me to clean it all up and protect it for the future, so she lasts a lot longer.
For a quick update on our Volvo P1800, we're still removing old bog and filler, still taking it back down to metal. It's quite a long, tedious process, but we don't want to damage anything underneath. We're not 100% sure what we're going to be finding, so we're just trying to be a little bit sympathetic. We've done pretty much all the front end, moved on to the back end, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get it on the hoist, start going through all the underside. So these are the panels that are off the Volvo. We've took them all off, we lay them down on the ground, and we're systematically going through them one by one, assess their condition. Can we buy new ones? Do we buy new ones? Or can we reuse these? If the panel will work and it's all good, we'll go with it.
Today we're doing the boot lid for the Volvo. We're doing a couple of dent removing, make metal finishing, less bulk. First doing the dent puller, we remove the small dent. Then we sanding and filing.
All the dents look like they're coming out of.
Yeah, remove all the dents. Looks the original panel. It's not only doing the boot lid, we're doing all the car panel, front guard, rear panel, all the doors and roof. All panel we're doing the metal finishing and less bulk.
So this is one of the doors off our Volvo. It's been repaired and it's not too bad. There's a lot of undulations in here that we'll have to address. When you hit the metal, you can actually stretch it at the same time. In certain cases, it will actually contract. But in the case of this door, it's actually grown slightly too big. So we're going to be using a process where we're going to heat treat it and we're going to get the whole thing warm, and then you hit it and you grind it and it makes the metal expand. So we'll be warming it up later on and we'll be relaxing it, and that will shrink it down slightly. Over the next few weeks we will be tacking the inner guards and on the firewall, getting all the bad metal out, putting all nice new good metal in. Keep watching us on the toy shop. Hit that like and subscribe button.